Hi, welcome to Coding Bible channel. In this video, I will talk about Angular compiler. So before talking about Angular compiler, we need to know what actually the meaning of compilation or compiler. Of course, you know that the language of computer is zeros and ones, and we write the code in English. So we need a translator that translates our English code to 0 and 1. Okay, this is the meaning of compilation. But if we convert from one programming language to another, it's called a transpilation. It's not just compilation. Okay, so this is a simple meaning or a simple explanation for what's compiler or what's transpilation. And now let's talk about Angular compiler. Maybe it's strange to talk about Angular compiler, and of course we have known that we have actually TypeScript compiler. So this means that we have two compilers. Yes, we have two compilers. Okay, so why you need two compilers? Okay, Angular has its own specific syntax, and the TypeScript doesn't understand the Angular syntax. For example, the decorators. The TypeScript doesn't understand actually the decorators of Angular. Oh wow! The decorators is part of TypeScript. Yes, TypeScript compiler will just convert the decorators to a function that will run in runtime, and that's it. But actually, TypeScript doesn't know what we need to do with the metadata or the properties in the decorator, and only Angular compiler know this. So this is why we need Angular compiler and TypeScript compiler. Now maybe you are thinking that Angular compiler converts from TypeScript to a TypeScript. No, you have to know that Angular compiler is just an extend of TypeScript compiler. This means that Angular compiler is just a TypeScript compiler plus additional features that understand Angular syntax. Now maybe you are thinking that if Angular compiler is an extend of TypeScript compiler, this means that Angular compiler converts from TypeScript to JavaScript. Yes, but so why we need TypeScript compiler? Okay, each one of them has its role in converting or compiling or transpiling our code to JavaScript. And to understand this, you have to watch the video in which we are talking about what is the difference between just-in-time compilation and ahead-of-time compilation to understand what actually the role of TypeScript compiler and the Angular compiler. So this is the end of the video, and if you have any question, just tell us on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok or Instagram or whatever channel you are watching with us. And thank you for watching.